Thomas here with Much Props. Going to give you another how-to video. This time we are going to make a painting, kinda. I got a bunch of vinyl stickers and thought, why not try and make something with them? So we're going to make the Much Props logo using vinyl stickers on a canvas. Let's get to painting or sticking. we are finished. Here's the end result. Overall, pretty pleased with it, but there were a few difficulties to overcome, we'll say. The stickers really didn't stick well to canvas, so when you saw me take that off and paint the background, I thought maybe the acrylic would make it stick a little better, and it did a little bit, but they were still coming up, so I went ahead and Mod Podged over the top of all of it just to kind of seal everything in, so it kind of holds it in there together so it's all one thing. I really like the randomness of the cartoon characters and decals and all the other logos and stuff that's on there, the pop culture references. I'm a big fan of pop art, and it was fairly simple. It took me maybe an hour total, maybe a little more than an hour, but maybe you'll try and make one of these yourselves and impress your friend with your graffiti sticker abilities. Oh, it'd be a sucky superpower. Yeah. Ha! Maybe you'll get some. Yay! And inevitably they're going to ask you, how'd you make that? You can give them one of these and tell them, much props. Yeah, it's so pretty. There's an odd amount of Hello Kitties though. Take that.